Nana, why are you letting him?
Tina, come here. Get some clean ones right there.
Yeah. I'm gonna use a little bit.
I think the other says olive oil, and I wonder if it needs to be olive oil. I don't know.
Oh, I hate vinegar. I hate vinegar. And it asked for vinegar.
Well, then put it down. Oh, it asks for vinegar? Which one does?
Oh my gosh.
Where? Which one?
This one. I have to like mix my hands in vinegar and stuff.
Hold on. Hold on. Move your hands. You're in my movie.
Sorry.
No, it doesn't say anything on here about vinegar.
Vinegar.
Vegetable oil.
Whatever.
That's the stuff. That's the stuff that we just had out.